What about spaghetti burrito?
Spaghetti is his favorite.
Hello. Fuck him.
Really?
I feel like everyone who's been staring has just been judging.
I don't know, but it's hot. Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Good.
I didn't get her saying the hooligan thing.
We are hooligans, though. I mean,
Las
really.
botas bonitas en muy deliciosa.
Clock. I feel like Cinderella right now because I'm formal and there's the clock. Are my shoes going to turn into mush?
Oh, it's stop. Here.
Wait, let me focus on it.
Billy La Bufanda.
Tila Cortese, if you watch this later, shout out to you,
him in it on
homeboy.
Facebook.
Yes.
Dylan, what you gotta say, boy?
I don't even think I'm friends with him on
What's this
Facebook.
about?
Look, it's more hooligans. Can we go?
Yes!
Let's go talk
Please
to
drive
them.
slowly
Sam,
because we
just-
love our
Hey!
children.
Why aren't you sophisticated?